Hey guys, and welcome to Tim's Kitchen. So today we're going to be making flatbread. Really easy recipe, literally takes less than 10 minutes. We're going to be doing a bit of flour, a bit of yogurt, some water, and that's what we'll make our flatbread with. So, start with mixing bowl, sieve, and 160 grams of self-raising flour. Now the 160 grams of self-raising flour we're going to sieve through, and we're going to sieve it through into the mixing bowl. So there we go, nicely goes through. Keep going, and we have it all done, perfect. So, next thing, we need roughly 20 grams of yogurt. So this is literally natural yogurt, and so that equates to roughly about just over a tablespoon and a half of yogurt. So here we go. So now we have 160 grams of self-raising flour, around 20-25 grams of yogurt, and then to mix this together we need to add a little bit of water in. So we'll start by, there's around 75 ml of water, so and it's tepid water, so it's just about right. So we're now going to just literally pour in some of it, and we will start to mix in 2 seconds. So on top of this, we need some salt. So, little touch of salt, just a pinch, in it goes. And here we go. So now you just want to mix it in to make a lovely sticky dough. And this is the fun bit. There we go, it's now starting to stick together. If it gets too dry, I'm going to add a little bit more water. Last time I made this, I ended up having to make a little bit extra tepid water to put in. So, how's that coming on? And here we're going to have to add a little bit extra. Like so. You want a lovely, like, wet, sticky dough. So, there you go, it's now coming into a ball. And there we have it. Lovely, sticky ball of perfect flatbread dough. However, now it goes in the fridge. And now to make this we need to prove it in the fridge for 1 hour, and then come back to it in a bit.